When it's time to put away the harvest, Pitbull Dozer Blades make a farmer's best friend. Featuring 8-way blade control and the industry's first dual disconnect, Pitbull is the new pedigree in dozer blade performance. Designed for front-wheel assist tractors 150 to 400 horsepower, the sturdy frame of Pitbull Dozer Blades is bulked up with hydraulic muscle for precision grading and brute strength that pushes and packs silage, dirt, and snow. Unleashing versatility is Pitbull's exclusive D2X dual disconnect undermount system, allowing you both blade-only coupling and full undermount disconnect. Removing the blade is fast and simple, while the lift assembly tucks tightly against the nose of your tractor for clear sight lines and easier road travel. Restoring your tractor to near original ground clearance and condition, the D2X full undermount disconnect is also quick, easy, and leaves only minimal brackets that go unnoticed. Responding to your every command is Pitbull's class-leading 8-way blade control, including parallel lift and forward pitch. Let your blade do the heavy lifting with Pitbull's advanced parallel lift design, giving you higher and straighter lift capacity than other dozer blades while rolling material forward. With Pitbull's forward pitch control, the blade tips forward to maximize edge pressure, maintain load control, and improve back dragging. The flexible design of the 10-degree tilt angle allows you to reach low with the hydraulic tilting control and shape your pile with impressive accuracy. When push comes to shove, the blade's mitered ends boast precision angle dozing for running flush against the wall. Available options include grill extension, bolt-on extensions, and bolt-on end plates for maximum capacity. For night travel and working, add on the perimeter lights and integrated high-power LED headlamps. Made in Canada and backed by a 2-year limited warranty, Pitbull Dozer Blades are the best in the business. Also available for larger 4-wheel drive tractors, Pitbull Blades offer high-capacity models up to 20 feet wide. For more details and sizing options for your tractor, contact Pitbull Blades at 1-800-556-9452. Pitbull Dozer Blades, a farmer's best friend.